Hi, today we're at Promat Belgium to show you why a fire door is important and how it's built in a proper way. Promat is the partner to select for building up fire doors. We have a lot of engineering expertise and really a broad portfolio from which you can choose for your fire door. Today we're going to show you that it's really important to have a partner who understands fire doors and also the process of going through the fire tests. Fire doors are not just upgraded doors. They are highly engineered fire safety assemblies which are designed to save life and property. It's crucial to have fire doors in your building so you can prevent the spreading of smoke, heat and fire throughout the building.
What makes a good fire door? To achieve this, you need a wide range of products and technologies. We have a lot of experience to support you in developing these structures and these designs.
The structural integrity of a door frame needs to be maintained in the event of fire. It's crucial to protect these elements with fire protection materials. If there is no proper protection, the temperature limit would be exceeded and even worse, the fire could burn through. The leaf represents the largest surface of a door and must therefore also be protected. To minimize the deflection of the leaf, the structural integrity is also an important element. The right core material is crucial to keep the temperature low. The locker is made of metal, so a thermal break with a lock encasement is necessary to reduce heat transfer. Essential for the glass cutout is a connection with the door leaf to keep the integrity. Additionally, you need to consider a proper fire-rated glass. All these fire protection elements needs to be engineered carefully to create an effective fire protection system.
All these fire protection elements needs to be harmonized to create and develop a wooden fire door which will pass successfully the fire test.
The door on the right-hand side is a correctly installed door, tested and certified for 90 minutes. This means that the fire door includes 90-minute fire-rated glass has been installed. Proper fire protection material in the core of the door leaf. The block frame includes calcium silicate and intumescent material. The door locker is protected by a lock encasement with proper fire protection material to lower heat transfer. On the left-hand side you see the incorrectly installed fire door with 60-minute fire-rated glass. Intumescent material with lower performance in the door leaf and the block frame. No lock encasement for the door locker. On the left door, please have a look at the critical areas, which are the gap between the door leaf and the door frame on the top, the glass and the door locker. After 4 minutes you can already see that the 60-minute fire-rated glass reacts more quickly. This is because the glass is thinner. On the incorrectly installed door on the left, you already see gaps between the block frame and the door leaf. Because there is no intumescent in the door frame and we have a less performing intumescent in the door leaf, the joints are not closing properly. Because of the missing lock encasement, there is no thermal break and you can see the impact on the left-hand door after less than an hour. At the top of the left-hand door, you can now see the glow of the fire coming through. Flames are coming through the door. If flames are visible for more than 10 seconds, the test has failed, which is the case here. At this point, you can see that the glass is deforming and is at risk of breaking. For safety reasons, the glass pane is covered with an insulation blanket. The incorrect door already failed the test, and the flames are coming through. We had to extinguish the fire for safety reasons and to allow us to run the test until the 90 minutes. The right door passed the fire test and was able to withstand 90 minutes. It fulfills all the criteria of an EI90 fire-rated door.
Make sure you're passing your fire door test by working with Promat, so contact us today.